Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make polls in Threads app to boost engagement. Polls are one of the fastest way to get likes, votes and comments because people love giving their opinion. First of all, open your Threads on your iPhone and tap the compose plus button at the bottom, and then what you're gonna do is type a short clear question like which iPhone feature do you use the most, or just simply write coffee or tea, and then insert a poll. Tap the poll icon, the two stacked bars or three stacked bars under the more options, and then just click on where remove the yes option and then put your coffee option, and in the second one put the tea option, and that's it. Or you can also add another interesting one and say it depends on my day or something like that. Or people also have options because they can neither it both of them also or something like that, and that's it. They can vote instantly with one tap. Then just simply post it. After people start voting, reply in the comments, ask follow-up questions, or post the results later. This keeps the conversation going. Safety tip: keep poll questions fun and harmless. Avoid sensitive topics that could get your post reported. Safety tip: keep polls questions fun. Quick fix: if you don't see the poll option, update the Threads app in the App Store. Meta is rolling out polls gradually, so it may take time to appear in all regions. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more quick fixes.